Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. We have to change it, so let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to video. Here we are. Now let's move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. In the video mode we have the video category at the first place, and at the second position we have the video stabilization option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.